Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the money management workbook and saving a dated copy. Enter each income source, how often it arrives, and the net amount so totals are accurate. Once done, list expense categories, fixed, variable, savings, and assign items to them. This first pass gives you structure and prevents double counting. Make sure to set columns for date, payee, category, and amount now, because those fields drive later formulas and charts. You now implement the working logic. Build SUMIFs to total each category per month and fix ranges with dollar signs so copying rows doesn't break them. Then add allocation columns that compute percentage splits, emergency fund, debt repayment, and investments, so every income entry distributes automatically. Also add data validation dropdowns for categories and conditional formatting that highlights overspending in red. These steps reduce manual work and make the sheet reliable over time. You finish by reconciling totals against bank statements and correcting any phantom or duplicated transactions. This ensures accuracy. Once reconciled, protect critical sheets and export a PDF snapshot for records so you can compare future months quickly. If numbers don't match, inspect hidden rows, check for accidental text in numeric cells, and verify SUM ranges include the newest rows. Those are the usual culprits. Finally, make one small test change and confirm allocated columns update as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.